RapidDirect is a leading online platform for rapid prototyping and low-volume manufacturing, built for product engineers and designers worldwide. Our on-demand manufacturing services include CNC machining, injection molding, sheet metal fabrication, 3D printing, and other techniques such as vacuum casting, die casting, surface finishing, etc. On our powerful online platform, you can easily upload your design files to get instant quotations and automatic DFM feedbacks for free. In one sentence, we are making on-demand manufacturing easier, faster. The RapidDirect team was established by a group of talents who have an average experience of 20 years in the industry. In 2009, we established our first self-owned manufacturing in Shenzhen. By the year of 2016, we have developed our manufacturing network in Dongguan, Chang'an, Tangsha, and Xiamen. And in the same year, we also passed the ISO 9001 certification. On June 2019, we officially launched our online manufacturing platform that allows you to request, manage quotes and orders in one place. Later that year, the online platform had a major technique breakthrough, which is instant quoting. It greatly shortened quoting period from more than 24 hours to less than a minute. You can upload your CAD file to have a try. RapidDirect has a dedicated team of over 400 professionals, including sales engineers, technique engineers, machine shop workers, quality inspectors, marketing team, etc. We are concentrated on providing the best services and getting the top quality parts delivered for our customers.